Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 39. Robots, AI, and Frozen Futures Collide. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Saturday, May 16, 2026 at 12:18 a.m. UTC. Collaborative robots are changing what factory workers do and spreading to more industries around the world, while multimodal AI is shaking up creative work, video communication, and the cybersecurity battlefield all at once. And if the idea of freezing yourself for the future ever crossed your mind, scientists working on cryopreservation just got a lot closer to making that possible. We begin with collaborative robots. Researchers and manufacturers are expanding the use of collaborative robots, known as cobots, that work alongside human workers rather than replacing them on factory floors. Unlike traditional industrial robots that operate behind safety barriers, cobots are designed to share workspace with people, assisting with repetitive or physically demanding tasks while leaving skilled decision-making to humans. Industry analysts say demand for cobots has grown steadily as companies look to improve productivity without fully automating their workforces. The shift reflects a broader rethinking of how automation and human labor can complement each other in modern manufacturing environments. Here's a story making waves in research. Scientists studying tissue preservation published findings this week showing that one of the most persistent obstacles in cryopreservation, the cracking of biological tissue during ultra-cold storage, can be significantly reduced. The key is carefully controlling the temperature at which tissue transitions into a glass-like state during the freezing process. Researchers say this glassy transition point is critical, and tuning it precisely reduces the mechanical stress that causes cracks to form. The work could have broad implications for organ and tissue banking, potentially making long-term storage of donor organs more viable in the future. Up next, a headline from across science and technology. Universal Robots held what it described as the nation's largest collaborative robot conference and trade show in Novi, Michigan, in January 2025, drawing industry attention to the growing cobot sector. Collaborative robots, designed to work safely alongside human workers, are seeing rising adoption across manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare settings worldwide. Germany continues to position itself as a central hub for industrial automation and robotics expertise, supported by deep investment in mechanical engineering research. Analysts expect the cobot market to keep expanding as companies seek flexible automation that can adapt to changing production demands without requiring full factory redesigns. Now, a story from the world of multimodal AI. Multimodal artificial intelligence platforms capable of processing text, images, audio, and video together have become one of the fastest-growing areas of the technology sector in 2025. Tools built on models such as OpenAI's GPT-4o, which launched in mid 2024, have moved from research settings into everyday creative and commercial workflows. Industry analysts noted that real-time content generation, marketing production, and even medical applications are among the fields seeing measurable change. The shift reflects a broader pattern in which AI systems are no longer limited to a single format, but instead handle multiple types of information at once. And here's one more headline from the labs in the field. Platforms specializing in AI-generated digital avatars are seeing rapid adoption across corporate and creative industries in 2026. Companies such as Synthesia have built tools that let businesses produce training and onboarding videos featuring photorealistic avatars without camera crews or studios. Newer entrants like Persify allow users to upload a single photo and record 30 seconds of voice to generate a convincing video likeness. The technology is also being applied to social media content creation, where automated avatar-driven posts are reducing production time significantly. Analysts note that as quality improves, questions around identity verification and consent for digital likenesses are drawing increased scrutiny from regulators. Closing out today's program, cybersecurity researchers at Tenable released their Cloud AI Risk Report 2025 earlier this year, warning that artificial intelligence is introducing new and poorly understood vulnerabilities across public cloud environments. The report was based on telemetry analysis of real-world cloud systems and found that many organizations lack adequate controls for AI-related risks. Separately, NIST published an artificial intelligence controls matrix designed to give organizations a vendor-neutral framework for managing those risks. Security analysts say both offensive and defensive uses of AI are accelerating, with AI-driven fraud and AI-assisted breach attempts now appearing regularly across industries worldwide.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.